Hey, what's up everybody? Chris back with another Proto Tech Tip video on the My Account portal. And what's new? Well, let me quickly tell you about the new invoicing feature that was just released. So if you haven't signed up for your very own My Account login with Protocase or Protospace MFG yet, now's the perfect time. Trust me, you're going to love all of the features that we continue to push into this tool to make it super convenient for users to quickly manage their past, current, and future orders. Customers inside the My Account portal can now download their ProForma invoices directly. Now previously, retrieving ProForma invoices was done via email communication. Now it can be done at your convenience inside the portal once you sign in. It's all now very streamlined, so let me show you. Watch how quick this is. So once you log into My Account, you'll see an Invoices menu item on the left. Click on that and now the page will open and show a list of your invoices, and you can then filter them by the date with the ability to also search. Simply click Download Invoice to begin downloading the PDF of that particular invoice to your local computer. And that's it. Keep your eyes and ears open as we're working towards the next phase of updates, which includes the ability to download paid invoices directly from My Account once orders are confirmed and shipped. My Account has some other awesome features that we've covered in previous videos. If you're curious about the top ones, check out our blog, which covers 5 My Account features that will make your life easier when you work with us. Also, we will link our previous tech tip videos covering new features in My Account, showcasing features such as the instant quoter, template generator, approving e-drawings, and the ability to generate reorders of previous jobs. Now that's all I have for this week's Proto Tech Tip. If you enjoyed this content, please don't forget to like and share this video. Until next time, take care.